Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're not, welcome back. It is Stitch Fix time. I'm so excited, aren't you? It is February Stitch Fix time, actually, and we just had a snowstorm maybe the last 2 days, so this is exciting to get a new Stitch Fix just in time to take the blues away. Okay, here it is. Comes in its little box. It's all sealed up. Let's open up. Got my scissors. The puppies came down to see what's going on. Choppy just ran into the tripod. Okay, remember inside comes the return bag. Comes with everything on it. That is the return bag. I always think, is everything really going to fit in there, you know? Okay, so it's all wrapped together. Nice little neat package. Little Stitch Fix logo on there, excuse me. And then, sorry about that, guys. The dog started barking at the mailman, and then I couldn't even hear myself talking. So, back to what I was saying. So, what's left in the box is just the slip to say what you have in the little outfits that go together. Okay, let's open. Put it back in. Okay. So the first thing is just a really basic black, kind of a ribbed top. It's actually really cute. It's kind of a V-neck. There's something on there. Oh, a little piece of lint. You see the ribbed. Okay, let's see where this is from. It's a scarlet mixed rib cashmere sweater, and it's black, and it's from Vince. Oh, it's really actually really nice, you guys. I kind of like the material of that. I know you can't see it on camera, but it's really actually very soft, and it's a V-neck. I really like that. Next. I wish I could do this, like when I first see stuff like that, like this, I could be like, oh yeah, but I get kind of leery. You know, like, I know I'm an older person, but really, I don't know. It's zipper up in the back. This is from Paper Moon, and it's a crew neck blouse. And it's kind of, you know, it actually is kind of cute at the bottom. It's got the backs a little longer. It's a really nice, lightweight. It's probably a really nice dress shirt. I'm really not sure. All right, next thing. Ooh, this looks really cute. It's a sweater. And it's got on the bottom, I don't know if you can see the detail, but that's the detail around the bottom. And the sleeves have the same. And then it's a striped. Nothing on the back. But all on the front is the stripe. And then there's a detail around the neck. This is actually really cute. This is Harper Lane. It's a Foxberry stitching detail cotton pullover, and it's a light gray. Ooh, that's really kind of cute. Should I try this on? I kind of like that. What do you guys think? Oh, and the bottom. I'm missing a lot of detail here, you guys. It's got a split in the bottom, and the back is longer than the top. Ooh, are you guys liking that? I'm liking that. Okay. Next. All right. Oh, it's another like long cardigan. First, I'll show you how long, and I'll show you the kind of detail that's in it. Like little holes, and it's kind of see-through. It's kind of really like a paper thin. Okay. And this is by Evolution by Kairos. It's an Alexandria crochet detail open cardigan, and it's in tan. I'm not sure, but you know it's light enough so you could wear it in spring. I'm going to try this on for you guys, okay? Because you know I'm in love with my cardigans and I want to always see if they fit. So I really like that. Last but not least, I don't know, did I mention this the last time? I'm not good with colored jeans. They're actually a great army green. I love this army green. If I'm going to wear green, or if I'm going to wear colored pants, you know, besides black or blue, this is a great army green because I have camouflage, so not too bad. Oh, and it's a skinny leg. They're called the legging ankle. Just basic pockets in the front, and then a little design on the back. And then all the way up, it's a, oops, sorry. It's a skinny ankle. Not sure if I'm feeling those, but let me try on a few things for you, okay, guys? And then I can kind of tell from there. So give me a moment. Okay, you guys, here's the shirt with the ribbing on it. You know, the ribbed cashmere shirt. I kind of like it. And then you can see the V-neck on it. Not too bad, huh? I kind of like that. Not bad. Really cute. And sleeves are really nice and long. Really kind of a cute basic top. And then, you know, you can stretch it out over your hands. Little jean bulge there, but yeah. Actually a really cute top. Okay, let's try on the next thing. Okay, this is the sweater. Not bad. And there's the little split in the back. That's not bad. There's the detail on the sleeve. There's the neck. Actually, it is very cute, you guys. You know, you always gotta fluff up your hair because that makes or breaks it, right? But this is really cute, isn't it? Yeah, so you can see a close-up of the stripes. You know, a little wrinkly from being in the box. But other than that, really cute. Then you gotta look down. Oops, sorry. Let me go back up on the stairs. Kind of gotta go look down at the whole outfit to see if you like it. You know, this isn't a appropriate outfit, but I really like the top. Fits really nice. And I got this in a large because I didn't know. I have long arms, and there's a little extra in the arm. Can you see? It's a little extra, but I like where you can kind of bunch them up or not. But I always have to get a large because I have such long arms and a long body. Cute. Next top. Okay, you guys, this one's not bad. I am not a big fan of the sleeves. I don't like those kind of sleeves. And it's clean right now. You know, it's been in the box. It won't kind of lay, but there's the back. You can kind of see the neck. It's okay, I guess, for dress. I don't know if I would wear it or not. Yeah, I'm not a fan of billowy sleeves, but it's not bad. I really have to think about it. Can you kind of see? There's the neckline. And remember, this has the zipper in the back. It flows nice, you know, it's not like fitting real tight against your waist, but you know, I suppose you could tuck it in if you want it, you know, and kind of do it like that, just wear it tucked in if you want to be a little more casual but a little dressy at the same time. You know, like if you're going out to dinner, you don't want to be like black slacks in a top. You could be like jeans in this top and just kind of tuck it in. It's all right. I'm not sure. Let's go try on that sweater. Okay, guys, I have that long cardi sweater on. It's actually really cute. And I put it on with that black top. So you can kind of see. I should have put it on with the white t-shirt. Not bad, huh? I kind of like how it flows. I really kind of like this because it's really nice and lightweight. It's not really clingy, it just flows really nice. Sleeves, nice and long again. It says I'm very long. I have long arms. Not bad, you guys, not bad. Sorry, I'm not being very still with the camera. All right. What do you guys think though? Okay, you guys, so that's everything that was in the box. Tell me what you think about everything that I tried on. I kind of liked it all, but kind of give me your opinion on what you think. So, let's go through the last thing, okay? So it says, oh, hello. And this is the price of everything and the description of everything. Okay, so the black rib top that I'm wearing right now, it's $198. And that is by Vince. The ankle pants, they're in olive, $188. The light gray sweater, that Foxberry, that's cute. That is $68. The Paper Moon crew neck blouse, it's in navy, $44. Really reasonable price for that, really reasonable. And then this cardigan that I have on in tan is $58. I think I can get that. Total is $397. And there it says everything. And it says, hi, Deborah. Like, you know, we're pals. This is like Stitch Fix number 13. Wow, I would have never, you know, I guess it is, it's cashmere. So it's going to be a little spendy. Oh, I really like this black top though, but you got to think twice, right? And this is the stuff that you compare it with. It kind of gives you a little fashion guide. Oops, excuse me. It gives you a little fashion guide so you can kind of pair it up with some things. I don't know, you guys. I like this cardi. I like this black top that I'm wearing. I like the sweater. So you think I should keep them? I think I'm going to keep them. Everything but the olive jeans. It's not my cup of tea. Like I said, I'm not into colored jeans. Like, I like khakis and I like blues and blacks, but I'm really having a hard time with those because I'm a little thigh heavy, and so anything that's a color kind of pops my thighs out. You know what I mean, girls with your heavy thighs. You guys, thanks for coming to my channel and checking out my February Stitch Fix. It was great. I will get it again next month. I'm really happy. So the last one in January was great, and now this one. So somebody's getting it finally, and I'm really happy. No shoes in this one, but you guys, I've got a ton of shoes. If you watch my closet decluttering, I have a ton of shoes. I don't need any more shoes, but they're always fun to get. Okay, you guys, so thanks for coming. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Follow me on Insta. I am Deborah Meldy H.E. Taylor on Instagram. I am also on Pinterest under Deborah's Heaven. Check me out on both of those. Bye, guys. Talk to you later.